Hello everyone and welcome to another UConn UPDC construction project update. My name is Lou Gett and today is June 8, 2018. We are on the new Student Rec Center project. This is our 13th video of our series. We're going to be taking you through the progress since our last update. Let's begin by thanking our colleague Milton Levin for his collaborative event and this amazing overhead footage. We'll start at the southeast corner where we have in the past. Been some amazing progress since our last update. We'll look down the white truck you see over here. We're going to begin our field walk in this area right through here. That's our garage loading dock bay. We're going to begin through there. Most amazingly, you see all that the white area. It's our PVC roof has been installed. We're going to take a little close-up as we come around. The utilities are beginning to come in. The excavator you see on the corner between the two buildings, this little pinch point area we go through here. So our stair B, when we walk through, we'll see that they're placing the treads on that today. Amazing. All of our parapet walls are constructed up on there on the top of the roof. That's the blue waterproofing that you see on through there. Now as we look down, that's our chilled water. We're picking back up. The little blue canopy is so that they can weld out of the sun in this area. Now our north facade, this is our second facade in our progress. We'll show you hillsides more complete. The light purple is what we call our Dens glass exterior panels. It's not a plywood. That goes on over the metal framing. So all the framing has been completed in this area. So this section right in through here gets mostly composite panels. We're going to take you through later on and show you how they look on our mock-up area. Now our SUAS, it's what's called a small unmanned air system, is our drone is spinning back. We're going to show you a closer look at the chilled water we just talked about through this area right in here. A tough spot for us. This is a little pinch point. All the major utilities go through here. Over to the left you can see our water and fire next to the chilled water over there. Excellent work coming up. Now as we pick back on, that's our north entrance, pretty close to where you see the yellow chute in the dumpster. We're going to begin a walk as we have in the past on that staircase. We're going to focus on that. And again, all the roofs are completed in this area. We come around here more to the northwest. That's a monster air handler that's been delivered in this section through here. Amazing. Now, Hillside Road, this is where we started on our exterior facade and which is the most complete at this time. We're seeing what we call our curtain wall assembly, the red lift right there. The mechanics are installing the glass in through here. We're spinning around quickly on Hillside Road where we run some utilities through there in the beginning of the summer. The excavator is across the steam line that we're tying into Burton. Excellent. So this area, we also actually had a temporary roof in this area rather than ruining the original roof. That's why the roof in this section is black. But you really get a sense through here. The ladder type areas in between the glass bays will be intermittent composite panels. So it'll be a combination of the glass through this area and some composite panels with iPay down below. But a great process through here. This elevation is Fitness 1 on the first floor, Fitness 3 over the top. Very open to Hillside Road. Lots of glass. Fantastic. All right, we look down in this corner. There's some more steam utilities getting ready to run over through there. This is our south elevation through here. As we spin around, we can see the mason scaffolding has been able to do his work around the pool. We'll take you into the pool very shortly. But finally, the two white sections on this back side are the final stair towers that they're going to start actually tomorrow through this area right in here. But mostly pool. From the left-hand side through here is pool and then mechanical all the way over to the corner through here. So they're still working on the parapet wall in this elevation back towards the back, but the roof is complete. And that is really the most important part through here. Okay, it's been a long time that we've been through this area here. We're coming back through. This is the loading dock. What a of milestone we're achieving today. Today is the last day. The last slab on grade placement was this morning. We're seeing the mechanic over here with his whirlybird finishing that. But how fantastic is this? Later on there'll be masonry walls that wrap around this area. This, what we will call like the garage bay. The little clips on the wall are for the CMU. Fantastic. So much progress since the last time we've been out here. We'll do a quick pan here. Great opportunity before all the walls are built. Mechanical sections in through here. These are our housekeeping pads, what we call, for the mechanical pumps and equipment to go on over there. Fantastic. We'll look back to the outdoor recreation center in through here. And we come back out, we're going to go through both the north and the west entrance, the Hillside Road entrance. This is the School of Business entrance in here. So much has happened since our last video. All the metal framing, interior studs are up. Critical to the job, what we call the top of wall drywall, and I'll show you in a minute why that has to be installed. And that's all above the ceiling because it gets buried later on. You can see the complexity of the mechanicals in there, or the reason why the contractor just installs the top of the wall. Oh my gosh, the last time we were here we had white plastic up. I know it was a couple of months ago. The plastic is down, the mechanicals are flying in this section. All of the fireproofing has been completed. We're looking up at a sprinkler line in through there. Okay, our main desk, our control desk, will be right in this area here. Fitness 1, we're going to walk through here. This is the Hillside entrance over in here. Let's take a quick peek into this Fitness 1 area here, Fitness 3. Alright, it's lunchtime on the job. The trades have quieted down. We talked about this space in through here, this grand space, the polycarbonate panels. This is very similar to the natural light that's going to be carried in this space in the future. These polycarbonate panels in through here, the natural light's going to come in. Fantastic. Progress. Alright, very similar. There'll be handrails up in here. This space is open in through here. Very nice. We'll take a quick peek over to Fitness 1. We can see the ductwork has actually been wrapped. This area is dry. As we talked about in the fly overhead, we've got roofs on in this area through here. Fantastic. The flyover bridge we showed you way back when. The stairs back up to the walkway that brings you over here to Fitness 2 and Fitness 4. Very nice. Now this section in through here is mostly admin areas. The offices will be in through here. One of our stairs, stair A, over here, and we'll take you on stair B over in Fitness 2. It takes you up to the roof in through here. And lastly, where the trades are storing some material in a little juice bar area in through here. Great progress. A quick pass, first floor past the control desk that will be here. I know in the future. Last time we were here, we talked a little bit about the mason was coming. Look right here. One of the elevators is already completed in through here. So you got to have the CMU up before you can put the car inside. Finishes go on the outside. Big progress since the last time we were here. So as we move over to Fitnesses 2 and 4, it's the same thing except it's an interior space that's 2 floors in through here. It's not to the exterior. It's all about how the trades work in here. So they're using it right now for a staging area. And it has to be scheduled very specifically what areas are going to be worked because there's so much material that goes into the building, especially the ductwork. It's so huge. So this area right over there, the guys have been given the okay to store their materials in here, and that's how that happens. So again, the mechanicals are heavy in through here. Our cable tray over in through here. The locker rooms. We talked about the locker rooms the last time. We showed you the underground plumbing in here on the dirt. So some of the key walls, the masonry, the CMU walls, concrete masonry unit walls have been installed. Second floor here, get a chance to see, and this will be the view in here because, you know, on this this curtain wall, all this glass in through here, you'll be able to see to the exterior. So we'll be your lookout. You're really getting a chance to see. So Fitness 1 and 3 on this section over here. This is Fitness 3. And And again, so a different perspective. We're now on the second floor. Handrail in through here, all open. So we're on fitness 3 over here, and on top of 2 over there will be fitness 4. But what an open sense, an open feeling in through here. You'll be able to look down the juice bar, this little lounge area right in through here. The equipment down in this section right in through here. It's a little walk-over bridge we just talked about just a minute ago over here. We'll walk a little closer. So some of the equipment that's going to be towards the exterior wall, this will be your view here. So pretty awesome. You'll be on treadmill or some type of exercise equipment, and you'll be able to look out at the bookstore or Gamble or the School of Business. We're at the south end here over at Fitness 3, a little bit of a different look. The last video clip I was just standing in this section over here, pointing over here at our little flyover bridge here, but you'll get a sense here. We also get a chance to take a look at a peek at the pool that you won't be able to see coming up, because this is going to be all closed off walls here. But just to take a look back down here over to Fitness 1, how grand is that? The staircase, it brings you up right over this area right in through here. Beautiful staircase, wide open. Again, back to the juice bar over in here and little lounge when you come in off Hillside Road. All the equipment will be down in this area right in here. Lastly, I might have just misled you. I believe there might actually be some curtain wall to be able to look down into the pool from this area. I'll check and have that info the next time we do a clip. Regardless, we get a chance to peek and look down. As I said, be a set of stairs cast in to be able to come down in here. Okay, what we call our recreation pool in this area in here, and the lap pool in this section in here. Excellent view. Getting ready to put the vapor barrier, goes down first right in through here. See the haunches. Still on the second floor. We talked about Fitness 4 over the top of Fitness 2. We talked about the multi-floor open area in here, just not to the exterior wall. You know, again, what a grand, the idea is for the grand, large space to be in through here. See the ductwork that's going to be coming out into the soffit. And again, all the duct that hasn't gone up yet, stored nice and neatly in this area through here. Another grand space, a fitness area in through here. The hanging supports that we see right in through here will be part of the finished work in this area here. Pretty neat. You'll never get a chance to see this view again, because I'm actually standing in our second floor southeast mechanical room. Huge progress this week. These individual boxes for the air handle, as you can see, if you look all the way up to the top, 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes to make this unit were hauled up here this week. You know, big milestone for the projects, having these air handlers. You can't even close the exterior walls until these air handlers are delivered in through here. So kudos for the progress this week. Second floor southeast mechanical room, air handlers. Court area, we've been up here. The last video I took you up on the track up in through there. You could see some of the fireproofing is started right in through here. Here it is. 2 courts in this area, 4 courts down in this area here. Huge, huge space. The bar joists will be exposed in the future. We won't be showing you the track today, but it's just basically the short story is I don't have to walk on top of the mesh anymore. The slab has been poured, and that's because the stair B here, you can see that they've infilled the pans in this section. The process, they pulled the temporary wood out, build the pans in, finish it. Very nice. Okay, we'll take a quick look at the progress on the mock-up since the last time we were here. This could be your first time looking at our composite panels. So this is a work in progress mock-up. Gives you an idea, the colors, the size of the joints. Not everything is finished. As I said, this is a work in progress. This is how we learn things about what's going on. But the reveals are pretty much standard. That joint, we got to have some joints that line up a little bit different. a pretty nice panel, this composite panel right in through here. Okay, composite man-made panel. It's got a nice marble look to it, nice color white. All right, so the polycarbonate we talked about, this is going to be all through around the building, you know, specifically in the Fitness 1 that we talked about, Fitness 3 up over the top. All right, so the downstairs, some of the storefront in this area right in here, kind of very similar in the curtain wall through here. We get a chance to see this iPay right in through here. So this is a fantastic wood. All right, closed grained, lasts forever. Grays, naturally grays through the years. All right, this is a vertical siding, what we call vertical siding. This is a shiplap joint where you see in through here. All right, so when we went around the building, we saw these storefront punch windows through here. Okay, metal panels up in the soffit right in through here. So this is still early stages, work in progress through here. All right, these are what we call our helping hand system. Right, this is allowed to be able to fasten. We have the same thing behind the composite panels. This is the first support bracket on the helping hand system that goes in through there. Again, today is June 8, 2018, and we thank you for your interest in our university projects.